Hi guys, my name is Shifa Merchant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Sassy Shif Says. और आज का वीडियो डेडिकेटेड है हाउस क्लीनिंग को, टू कीप इट स्क्वीकी क्लीन। तो अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं क्विकली, एफिशिएंटली और रियली अफोर्डेबल वे में अगर आपका घर, कार्पेट और हर एक नूक एंड कॉर्नर कैसे क्लीन रखे, तो कीप ऑन वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. As in today's video, I'm going to be talking about in detail and reviewing AGARO's Icon Bagless Vacuum Cleaner, जो कि मेरा go-to vacuum cleaner बन चुका है इस घर में, and not only mine, my husband's too. So keep on watching. यूज करना इतना आसान है, really easy to assemble है. It contains 600 watts motor, जिसका मतलब है आपका जो सक्शन पावर रहेगा इस वैक्यूम क्लीनर का वो बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग रहेगा. एंड यू कैन यूज दिस वैक्यूम क्लीनर ऑन एनी ड्राई सर्फेसेस. एंड व्हेन आई से एनी ड्राई सर्फेसेस, आई मीन ऑन any dry surface, whether it's floor, whether it's your baby mat, whether it's your carpets, your rugs, or also on the nook and corner crevices जो होते हैं. इसके अलग अलग nozzles भी आपको दिए गए हैं. तो for example, जैसे कि सोफा में क्लीन कर रही हूँ और between the cushions एक special nozzle है that reaches deep into this crevices. Normally वहाँ अपने हाथ या brooms जाते नहीं है, dusters जाते नहीं है. So it becomes really easy, convenient to clean every nook and corner of your house. What's also amazing about this vacuum cleaner is that it comes with Hepa filters. Or these Hepa filters, apart from cleaning the other dirt and dust in your house, it also takes care of molds, any airborne particles, any dust particles that are there in the air, which means it acts as a dust barrier to prevent the motor from getting clogged, which is amazing. और इसका जो सक्शन का तरीका है, जो फंक्शन है, it's called the cyclonic suction, जो कि इतना पावरफुल है. Now this system accelerates air in the cyclonic chamber, which means it separates out the dust. And as you can see, इतने heaps of dirt and tissues and hair and so many other dust and dirt particles जो are not visible to the naked eye, also it catches in, which is really, really beneficial if you're having kids and small toddlers in your house. ये मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही I would say like all in one प्रोडक्ट है and it takes care of so many concerns of mine as a mama. इसका जो बैगलेस बिन है वो 1.5 लीटर्स का है, 1.5 लीटर का है, and it has been specially designed in a way जैसे आप हाइजीनिक तरीके से उसे निकाल सकते हैं, उसे एम्प्टी कर सकते हैं just with one hand, and it also helps minimize dust clouds. AGARO's Icon Bagless Vacuum Cleaner is so compact, but it has large wheels, which means it's easy to use and it's super portable. It's so easy to maneuver and move around with this product. यहाँ पे different suction के settings भी दी गई है, so आप अपने preference के हिसाब से, depending on which area of the house or furniture you're cleaning, you can actually select the settings which suit your requirement. It comes with 1-year warranty, which is great, and also so many different types of attachments like I was saying in the start. So for example, this is the crevice nozzle, multi-purpose brush and a separate flow brush. इसका front wheel जो है वो 360 degree swivel wheel है, which means you don't have to stress about moving the unit. It can move in any direction that you want to very easily. इसका जो multi-purpose brush है, I love using it especially on the rugs, because जो handmade rugs और carpets होते हैं उसके threads में नीचे जाकर lot of the dust settles down. So I have noticed a difference in the color every single time I have used this particular vacuum cleaner with this brush. It's really a must have for Indian households. अगर आप देखोगे currently on Amazon, it's available at an insane deal. यहाँ पर 44% तक ऑफ है, which means this bagless vacuum cleaner by AGARO you can avail and get your hands on for just rupees 4999, which is amazing. It's available just for rupees 4999, and I'm also going to link in directly the link in my description below, so you can go ahead, have a look and feel of the product, check it out for yourself and tell me what do you feel. It's really convenient and it does what it says it does. Total value for money है, and आप अपनी वारंटी एक्सटेंड भी करा सकते हैं 1 और 2 साल से, और ये भी ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है Amazon पर. I've used so many vacuum cleaners in the past, but ये एक वैक्यूम क्लीनर है जो मैं काफ़ी टाइम से यूज़ कर रही हूँ, and it's really not given me any problem. The powerful cyclonic suction and the 1.5 liters bagless removable bin is a total must and a win for me. It has my heart and I trust my family with it. So guys, that was it for me. ये मेरा detailed review था AGARO के Icon Bagless Vacuum Cleaner के बारे में. If you want more such amazing reviews and first impressions, then keep coming back for more. Until then, keep it sassy, guys.